Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to be discussing the Sacred Heart. We're going to be discussing a little bit of the rose codes. I provided some beautiful information for you to research and read and start to begin to understand the rose as a symbol of a gateway to the portals of consciousness and the deep, infinite layers of love. So the heart is an infinite portal. It blossoms open. And the heart is a symbol for this infinite blossoming, this infinite unfolding, these petals consistently folding open to reveal an infinite core that is deep. The heart is our doorway to our destiny and our healing. So, like we discussed in the trauma piece video, there is a momentous shift in consciousness from victim to victory. And in that powerful medicine lies the true potential of your heart as a gateway to your destiny. Because once you can start to uncover your self-love and your self-respect and honor, this is how the bliss codes come into your beingness at a cellular level. This is how you start to discover your purpose and deeper avenues of your path and your calling in this life to express yourself from your truth, from your soul perspective, your soul core essence of being, of why you came here, the true telos, the purpose of your incarnation. So Mary Magdalene is such a powerful teacher of the Sacred Heart and of the Heart Code, because she is someone who came here and signed up for a very big mission, very overwhelming or daunting to some, and she persisted on her path, smelling of the rose, of her grace, her purity, and her strength the entire time. I also want to encourage you to start to meditate on the rose. So if you have roses perhaps outside, if you have a garden, or maybe treat yourself to a small bouquet and bring home, and I want you to start meditating on the rose. Just take your time and sit with it in a quiet place and just start to observe all of the qualities of the rose and how beautiful it is. And remember that the rose is not without thorns. This is boundaries. This is protection, right? So we have boundaries. We no longer allow ourselves to be one that others can take advantage of, or if you ever had any experiences of being a doormat, remember your thorns. And this isn't a malicious thorn. It's just part of your boundaries of being to protect your sacred heart. So thank you so much for joining me in this video on the Sacred Heart, and I'll see you for the next video.